I'm so tired, but I have to keep working.
That voice, it didn't cost me a penny, and the best part is I don't need $2,000 laptop to make it. Today I'm going to show you how to run this 11 lab killer on Google Colab for free. Let's go. Go to the pinned comment of this video and click the Colab link. You will see this page. Don't panic at the code. We are literally just going to press 4 play button. Top right, click connect. Now we are stealing Google's GPU. Step 1. Click the play button on cell 1. This prepares the environment. Step 2. Click the cell 2. This installs the main brain. It takes about 2 minutes, but for you it takes just 1 second. Click on now cell 3. This verifies the GPU. And cell 4 starts the server. Now watch the log. When you see this link, localhost, click it. Google automatically tunnels this to public website. Click visit website. Boom, we are in. Select Chatterbox Turbo here for speed. Now drag in 10-second sample of whoever you want to clone. I am using this sample. Type your text and hit generate. Watch how fast is this.
Can't believe this actually
Let's
works.
listen. This is already 99% close to 11 lab. But here is the secret feature that even paid tools struggle with. That is emotion. Just put the action in the bracket and watch
I'm
this.
so tired, but I have to keep working.
That little sigh make it more human. Paid software asks extra for it. Stop paying for voice credits. Use this instead. If you find this helpful, please hit the like so other people can also find it. The link is in the pinned comment. Peace.